Kamarjoba! Hello my friends and welcome back to Tamada's table. Today is Sunday and we will be cooking caviar. Not fish caviar of course, but delicious eggplant caviar, which is a wonderful dish. It can be an appetizer, it can be a side dish, and it's delicious when served with toasted bread. So let's start cooking! The ingredients for eggplant caviar are eggplants, red bell peppers, chili peppers, red or green, onions, garlic, tomatoes, sunflower oil or any oil you like, and primary herb is cilantro and then basil. But I don't have basil today, so I will be using cilantro. I have a little bit of parsley and a little bit of dill. So that's what I will be using today. My first step is to prepare the eggplants, and what I will do, I will just pierce them with the fork, like that. I will bake them today, but you can also grill them or cook on the stove in a skillet, like my grandmother did. And for eggplants, you need like really eggplants which have a lot of meat or flesh. That's why I'm using this large clove eggplant. friends, we cooked eggplant dish, which somehow is called eggplant caviar. I don't know why it's called eggplant caviar. Probably it was always the food of the poor, but it's delicious. So what's the difference? It's the food of the poor or the food of the rich? Let's enjoy it. If you like the recipe, please share with your family and friends. Come back for my weekly postings. Bon appetit! Gabriela Mirtvit, and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.